Oh my god, it's raining. Oh, they're not working.
They work perfect!
Hey, so welcome to today's episode of the Anac-Honda project. Today we're in our dad's garage, as you can see. Lovely little place, this is where the magic happens. So Fraser, what are we doing today?
Today we're going to get the car cleaned up a little bit. We've got some little bits and bobs that we bought for the car, going to get them stuck on and see how it looks. Vibe it.
Nice. Yeah, we've done a big old eBay jobby today. We bought loads of new bits just to get the car back cleaned up, looking a bit more spick span and new. What we've got things like that's the passenger side sun visor, because that's snapped off and didn't come with the car. That is some window wipers because our one's falling to pieces. These are what I'm most looking forward to. Is we've got some new wind deflectors to go on all four windows. And then last but not least is a big box of brand new rubber mats to go on the floor because we're always very muddy in the car.
We're mud boys.
So we'll go and get it cleaned up, shall we?
Yeah.
Sweet. See you in a bit. Fireman Sam is the hero next door. Yay! Ooh. Mats! Let's get those out of the way. Right, so what we have here is the front mats and back mats. We just got universal ones, rubber. They cost about, I think it was like 14 quid I got these for or something, wasn't it?
Yeah,
they're on some kind of sale. Nice and cheap and easy because obviously we're going to give them a battering. We got the rubber ones so we can just clean them nice and easily after a nice long hike and whatever we're doing. So let's go and get these in the car.
Let's do it.
So that goes on that side. Chuck this one in there. Lovely. That looks brand new already. And the other one. Excellent.
Lovely stuff.
Now the last ones, these are really good. I chose these ones because they've got this centre bit as well, just to keep the floor nice and clean in the middle if someone's sat in the middle. Sweet. And we can fix the wiper blades. Now these ones I got from Euro Car Parts. They were on offer and I think they cost me about £6.
Bargain.
So absolute bargain. So we'll get those on the car, get it looking spick and span. Boom.
Car's happy to see you.
So here we have the wind deflectors. These are Team Heko ones. Got them off of
Amazon, eBay.
Amazon or eBay or something like that. We managed to get all 4. The original plan was we wanted the big American style ones that go over the windows, but that took so long of searching around to get them. We just can't seem to get them in the UK. Get the insides nice and clean. That's the key thing, is because I put them on an old car before. I hadn't cleaned the inside of where the windows go and where they go, so they didn't stick on. I was driving down the A120 and they just flew off. So first job, cleaning.
Really get in the cracks. Get in my cracks.
All you have to do is take off all of these little sticky bits. They're all double-sided tape that actually already come on these. You take off all of the strips and then just wedge it into the window. They're stuck in at the moment. Next you take the little clips that they use. I like to use a little screwdriver to help me get it in. You space them out evenly on either side and wedge it in like that. Okay, right, now we need to test out the wind deflectors that we put on last week, which I snapped already while putting it in.
Yep.
So pretend like you're in Scotland, it's a really hot and sunny day, so you've cracked the window open, and now, oh my god, it's raining. Oh, they're not working.
They work perfect!
I thought you was going to do it properly. No.
What?
It's just so quick. Oh. Fraser, you need to dry that.
I've had an accident.
That didn't work, did it?
Oh, that's soaked. What did you think was going to happen?
I just thought it was going to deflect the... the wind deflectors, not rain. Oh, everything's wet now. Oh well, time to go in for lunch.
That's another video. Clickbait.
So we're back again. It's been 2 weeks now since we started the tiny little sun visor project. But what we realised was that the piece that we actually needed was this just tiny little clip here. And it was obviously missing. So I spoke to the bloke that we got it off eBay. And yeah, he's sent it now in the post. So we're going to have a go at getting that on.
Yeah.
So it'll be...
This is what we've got at the moment. So it's all... that clip that we needed is just sheared off there and sheared off that side as well. No idea what might have happened to
yeah, I know.
How
I know. Someone very angrily just snapping it off. Yeah, so as usual, we have no idea what we're doing, so we're just gonna
vibe it.
Vibe
is right.
Vibe. So we've got the usual tools that we normally need, which is just a hammer and a variety of different sized Phillips head and flat head screwdrivers.
Technical.
So we'll just start getting this off, I reckon. Yeah, look. No, that's not working. Ah! Hey!
It'd be so much quicker if you used it properly.
Oh! That's one. Keep that in the subway drawer. Speed demon. Well, that was easy, wasn't it?
Lovely.
Snapped off. See ya. Yeet.
Shouldn't we do this one first before we...
I don't know, I've never changed a sun visor before.
Let's stick it in this side. We'll just try and stick it in all around.
That's what she said.
Nice. How many thickos does it take to change a sun visor?
There you go, go on. Go on. Go on.
I did all the heavy lifting.
Tick it. Oh, no way. Help.
Oh,
my finger.
Have you got that? You're going to break the windscreen. Jesus Christ.
I am not. I'm glad this isn't a how-to video.
That bit does
Yeah.
slide in.
Oh, that was easy.
And then does it twist?
Oh my god.
What? God.
I'm tired. Oh, wait. Something's happening.
I was thinking, does it like twist halfway or something?
We're loosening something here.
Try it again.
See?
I knew that. Yeah.
Simple.
So good. Oh, that's well easy. And then that just.
Was it?
Yeah. Do that.
I've lost the other part.
That was so easy.
Oh no. Should have looked at it first, really. Have you got the other bit?
What other bit? The new bit?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's already in there.
Whoa! That was so easy. It's just a twist and scoot.
Ta-da.
So hammer this bit in, do we? Simple stuff.
Lovely stuff.
Very easy. 10 out of 10 would recommend. The Fraser and George Marshall's Workshop of Dreams.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that flappage.
And there's like barely any suspected mould on there.
We're going to die. Yeah, nice second. You can't even see in that mirror.
Good as new.
Beautiful.